I couldn't even open the door. Me and Reni Chan are going to get some pizza.
Yes.
Because we're hungry. Because we did just an amazing video for you guys.
Yes.
So.
You did amazing.
She's so cute.
We shooting each other.
Yeah. See? So I'm a bunny. She's a bunny.
We are bunny. We are bunny. Yay.
And I tried dollar pizza like slice like yesterday, and it was so good.
Oh,
and
dollar
the
pizza?
yeah.
You don't mind to get the pizza? A dollar pizza again?
Mm-hmm.
Are you okay?
I'm good. Yeah, it was good.
Yes, a dollar pizza is the best for me.
It tastes so good.
It's so good, right?
And it's only $1.
Yeah, do you have in Tennessee the same kind of stuff?
No. I wish we had a slice for $1.
Yeah.
And then my slice was so big, that's all I ate. It was like really, it was really good. And it was my first time eating a pizza from New York. And it doesn't taste like what we have in Nashville. So I was like, what is this magic that I'm eating? So Reni has to,
Let's go this way.
because this is her neighborhood and I can't, I don't know where I'm going. I got lost in New York 3 times since I've been here. Today I got lost for 2 hours. You guys too. My Google Maps was not telling me the right way to go.
Yes. New York is kind of complicated also.
I was so upset.
Yeah, so sorry. That's New York, especially Manhattan. It's terrible.
I wasn't
GPS.
having fun today when I got lost because I had to practice and I had to eat and then I had to edit and I didn't have enough time because I was lost. So today it wasn't fun, but the last 2 times I was lost was fun because I got to explore. And it's not cold. Nashville is colder.
Really?
Yes. Everybody was like, you're gonna freeze. You're gonna be so cold in New York. And I was like, oh no, I gotta pack so many clothes. Nashville is even colder.
Really?
Yes.
New York. I thought New York is coldest.
That's what I thought, but I've been surviving so far. And it feels really good out here.
But you moved to the, where was it?
Pennsylvania?
Yeah, Pennsylvania. Is there warmer or?
I think it's colder, but I'm up for new adventures, so I like traveling. This is it? Oh, bubble tea.
The place is over there. A dollar pizza. Let's get.
Yes, dollar pizza.
Yeah. New York pizza is the best.
It is the best.
Yes, a dollar pizza. We love a dollar pizza.
I love the fact that it's a dollar pizza. Because even if you don't have any money, you can always go for pizza. So, Nashville, do better. Do better, Nashville. Look at I look so cute.
Kawaii.
Kawaii, hontou kawaii. Vlogging in New York has been so like hard because there's so many people and so loud. But
Yes, that's true.
I've been vlogging all through New York. Some people will like.
But so many stuff in here, so fun stuff.
Yeah, it's so much stuff to vlog. I would have to come back and finish.
There you go.
This right here? Is this it? Y'all didn't see that. This is it. This is it. Yeah.
Hello.
Hello.
Kind of this only one. You gotta get this plain one.
Ooh, that does look good.
Yeah?
Plain. Yeah.
This plain one?
Yeah.
You want this plain? How many?
I'm only getting one.
One.
You're getting one?
Can I get 2 slices of pizza?
Yeah, we have the regular ones here.
What kind of drink you want?
Ooh. I don't know. Just a flavored water, I guess.
Do you want to control your light? Control your body? Try to get some Not too much sugar.
I know. Oh my gosh, but my favorites.
Special today? Well,
It's like only I can get this. Yeah.
this one is, yeah, that is true.
That pizza looks really good. We are at, where is this place? What is this place called?
Can I put this on my phone?
I don't see what this place is called, but this pizza looks really good.
Excuse me, can I put this on my vlog?
She's saying, is it okay if she vlogs for YouTube?
Yeah, he's by blockers. Yeah, okay.
Okay?
Okay.
Thank you.
Yay, we're okay to vlog.
Thank you.
It's called,
99.
it's called 99-cent pizza. Come here. Oh, it smells so good.
$4.
$4? Okay.
Yeah, $4.
I got it.
No, I do.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay. $4.
Well, I know.
Reni's like, I know.
Time $10 here.
This is so cool. Oh my gosh, it looks so good.
Excuse me.
Thank you. $1 for you. Here.
Aww.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye. Have a good one.
You too.
Bye.
This is cheese. I gotta have cheese even though I'm lactose intolerant.
I have blue cheese at my home. If you want. Oregano. Here you go. I have tomatoes at my home. If you want to put. What do you think?
Yeah, I'm gonna eat at home.
Salad.
Yeah.
Little salad I have.
Yeah. This pizza looks so good.
Let's bring that.
Where is this area? Because oh yes, that is good.
You got it.
It's called 99-cent pizza and it's on Allen Street in New York. Check it out. This is good. I stole a tiny piece. It's good. Arigatou gozaimasu.
はい、どういたしまして。いただきます。
Itadakimasu. Remember go choose some. Yes. I cannot believe it.
Pizza, $1. So it's like 100円 pizza.
Yes. So good. So delicious. Oishii.
Cheap and delicious. We're gonna put on the salad and the tomato right top on this, so it's more healthier and less guilty.
It would let me like help me feel like I'm eating a healthy slice of pizza. None of this is helping my stomach. I'm lactose intolerant. I can't eat cheese, but I love cheese. So I don't think that's ever gonna leave my diet. Oh my gosh, I'm hanging out with Reni.
Yeah,
oh my god.
This is the first time we are doing it. Like we are hanging out together.
This is so
Not
crazy.
like the first time. Don't you think?
It's like
not like the first time.
yeah.
I don't feel it's first time. Because we met before 8 years ago.
Yes. I wonder. I'm gonna have to pull up the picture to see if it's really, because it's been so long and you look so different now, so it's like I hope it's the right person.
Yeah. Let's get over here and then make a right.
Make a right. All right, we're about to cross the street. All right, yeah, you can cross.
So you have the GoPro. How's the GoPro?
It's like
GoPro, right?
a tripod. I just bought it. Well, online, Amazon. It's like $17. It's all right.
Huh? $17?
Yeah.
Wait. The whole thing is $17?
Like this, but the camera is.
Okay.
The camera, when I bought it, it was 600, 700,
Oh,
but
okay.
now it's like 500 maybe. I suggest everyone gets this camera because it's like a really good vlogging camera.
Oh, okay.
People say
I think I'm doing the phone all the time.
I was wondering how you was vlogging, but I was like, she probably got a good phone. She probably got an iPhone.
iPhone 8.
Because I want an iPhone. You know what would be really sad? If I tripped and my pizza goes flying and hits the ground, I would cry.
Let's go this way. We can.
I would cry so bad because this pizza smells so good.
No. I saw the kids doing it, you know. They just got right there the pizza and then they drop off.
Oh no.
Like,
That would be so sad.
go straight and then to the left and there.
I really need to work out because my arm is like hurting. I shouldn't be this weak.
You should work out though. I did a work out video today.
Yeah. You have a gas stove. I love gas stoves. I haven't seen one since
Really?
since my grandma passed, but
Olive
I
oil.
love gas stoves.
I need a little air. It's gonna get everything I put in the refrigerator. Everything. Salt and
That's
everything.
keep it fresh. I like that.
Keep it fresh. Also, I don't want to see bug
Yeah.
and
Olive oil. I love olive oil. I try to
yeah, olive oil. It's
drink 1 tablespoon a day
good. Mhm.
because it's supposed to be healthy.
Really?
1 tablespoon of olive oil a day. Extra virgin olive oil.
Oh yeah. So slow. Sorry.
It's fine.
So let's do.
See, I want a small apartment like this in Japan. Like really small.
Yeah, this is Japanese size.
Yeah. It's so cute and only for me.
Compact. Simple, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Simple is the best. Okay. Got it.
What do you call it? A minimalist? Like
yeah.
I don't need much.
Minimalist.
Yeah. I don't like the
neither.
fancy stuff and expensive stuff.
Yeah.
Not me.
Not me neither. Because we don't need it.
Yeah, we really don't.
Sorry.
That's okay. Didn't get me.
And cut this off.
Are vegetables like affordable here?
Affordable.
Like
Too expensive.
yeah.
Not too expensive if you pick up the good store.
Okay.
Yeah.
Because everyone said everything's more expensive in New York, and I was like, I
don't
know.
think so. If people picking up this right stuff, right place, you can be minimalist. Yeah, it's not too expensive.
Okay.
Yeah.
Because I want to start eating, you know, farm to table, like fresh fruit and veggies.
Yeah. If you think like you do, you cook yourself, you'll be fine.
It smells good. Just being tomatoes and olive oil alone smells good.
Right?
Yeah.
But if you buying from restaurant or delis all the time, it could be very expensive. Also, it could be not really healthy. You know? Hi. Sea salt? Sea salt? I love salt. How do you?
Salt, I try to stay away from, but what do I use for salt? What do I use for seasoning? I think I use herbs instead of salt for flavor. I don't know. I use salt sometimes. But salt also brings out the flavor in a lot of vegetables. Like, for example, garlic, if you use salt, it brings out more garlic flavor. So
Oh, yeah.
salt is
I
not
have
all
garlic.
bad.
Do you want garlic?
Mm-mm.
No? Okay.
She's so nice.
Here you go. You can pick that up and then put on your pizza and eat it.
Oh.
I can carry you.
Okay. Oh, this is the first time that I'm gonna be doing this. I hope I don't drop my pizza. I'm gonna cry.
I'm doing a double shooting.
Very talented reading.
Thank you.
Because I can't.
I think I'm doing perfect though.
Yes.
Here you go.
There we go.
And the salad we have, so you can put the salad in.
Look at that. I never had it like this.
Right? I never had that too.
Oh,
If
and
you
the
need an olive oil more,
salad.
you want to put the olive oil?
Yes.
Okay.
Reni knows how to make a good pizza. A slice better. Like if you get a pizza from a place and you want more and make it healthier, do what Reni just did. Because that looks like a gourmet slice of pizza.
It's less guilty.
Mm-hmm.
Here you go.
Yay! You gotta fold your pizza. I'm gonna try to attempt to fold this pizza.
素晴らしいですね。It's great.
いただきます。
はい、どうぞ。
Mmm.
What does it taste like?
Good.
Yes!
おいしい。
美味しいでしょ